guys, welcome back to How to Be, and today we are going to have a very special episode because we're going to teach you 3 easy meal preps that will make you and your friends really happy. Before anything else, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to access more of our videos. Ready to take some notes? Here we go. Loaded barbecue chicken nachos. Here are the ingredients that you need. 1 tablespoon of canola oil, 2 chicken breasts, finely diced, half a tablespoon of kosher salt, half a tablespoon of freshly ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 3/4 cup of barbecue sauce or 215 grams, 13 ounces of tortilla chips or 370 grams or a bag, 2 cups of shredded cheese, half of a red onion, finely sliced, 1 tomato, diced, 8 strips of bacon, cooked and crumbled, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, finely chopped, half a cup of sour cream or 115 grams, and 1 avocado, diced. So here's how we're going to prepare it. Step number 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat the oil in a pan over high heat. Cook the chicken with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and chili powder for 2 to 3 minutes. Step number 2. Add the barbecue sauce and cook until the sauce has reduced by about half. That's going to take about 5 minutes. Step number 3. Remove from heat in a large skillet. Spread out 2 large handfuls of tortilla chips. Layer with half of the barbecue chicken, followed by half of the cheese, onion, tomato, bacon, and parsley. Repeat with the remaining ingredients. Step number 4. Bake for 15 minutes, then drizzle the sour cream and sprinkle the avocado on top. Of course, the last step would of course be to serve and enjoy. Our second meal is the chicken fajita quesadilla. Here are the ingredients to make 2 quesadillas. Half a pound of chicken breast or 225 grams, cut into thin strips. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a cup of bell pepper, 50 grams, green, red, or yellow peppers, julienned, half a cup of white onion, or 75 grams, julienned, 2 large flour tortillas, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, or 100 grams, double for 2 quesadillas, 1 cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese, again, double it for 2 quesadillas. We also have to prepare a couple of more things for garnish. Fresh cilantro, guacamole, sour cream, and pico de gallo or salsa. Here's how to prepare for this meal. Step number 1. In a large skillet, coat chicken with salt, pepper, chili powder, cumin, cayenne, and garlic powder. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Step number 2. Add the peppers and onions and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are soft. Remove chicken, onions, and peppers from the pan and set aside. Step number 3. Place the tortilla in the skillet and add a layer of cheese on half of the tortilla. Step number 4. Add cooked chicken, peppers, and onions. Top with more cheese and fold the tortilla in half. Step number 5. Cook for 6 minutes over medium heat, flipping halfway. And of course, the last step. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve with pico de gallo, guacamole, and sour cream on the side. For me, I'd add more cheese. And of course, our very last easy-to-prepare meal. Yummy veggie omelette. Here are the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 small onion, chopped, 1 green bell pepper, chopped, 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and 2 ounces of shredded Swiss cheese. Here's how to prepare this meal. Step number 1. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a medium skillet over medium heat. Place the onion and bell pepper inside of the skillet. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until vegetables are just tender. Step number 2. While the vegetables are cooking, beat the eggs with milk and then add a half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Shred the cheese into a small bowl and set it aside. Step number 4. Remove the vegetables from the heat, transfer them to another bowl, and sprinkle the remaining 1/4 teaspoon of salt over them. Step number 5. Melt the remaining 1 tablespoon butter over medium heat. Coat the skillet with the butter. When the butter is bubbly, add the egg mixture and cook the egg for 2 minutes or until the eggs begin to set on the bottom of the pan. Gently lift the edges of the omelette with a spatula to let the uncooked part of the eggs flow toward the edges and cook. Continue cooking for 2 to 3 minutes or until the center of the omelette starts to look dry. And of course, our last step, sprinkle the cheese over the omelette and spoon the vegetable mixture into the center of the omelette. Using a spatula, gently fold one edge of the omelette over the vegetables. Let the omelette cook for another 2 minutes or until the cheese melts to your desired consistency. If you ask me, I'd add more cheese. Slide the omelette out of the skillet and onto a plate, and then cut in half and then serve. Did you like these recipes? You did? Wonderful! And all of these you can cook in 15 minutes. Do you know some more easy to prepare meals? Let us know in the comment section below. Again, if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to How to Be and make sure to click that bell button to access more of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until our next How to Be video.